Everybody, it's been a long time coming. I did just change the oil for the heck of it. It has been at least 2 months since I've started this. The Husqvarna Frankenstein. It is the HU700F mower deck, which originally had a Honda 160 engine on it. But it is the HU700F deck that has the XT675 Kohler engine on it that was originally from an all-wheel drive mower. So it's two different ones. Of course, I hate the dipstick design because it makes a mess when you drain it, and sometimes even put it in because it drains really slowly. Again, it's cold. This is the one that my mother originally found this. Actually, my mother originally bought this mower a few years back, and obviously you can see it's cold. She originally bought this mower a few years back. I guess it's kind of mine now because I put a new recoil on it. Aftermarket recoil, aftermarket carburetor, and I put a set of front wheels on it so the self-propel could work, because these wheels have plastic teeth inside of them against the drive shaft, so they break really easily or wear out much quicker than they should. So it's definitely cold. I did just change the oil in it. Like I said, I lubricated that cable because it's a little rough. Okay, so it does need an air filter. I must have forgot it needed one. I swore I had gotten one for it, but let's see. Maybe I didn't. Well, then I definitely need to make sure I get one for it. Actually, guys, I think I actually did get one for it, but it didn't fit. But again, it's cold. At least 2 months. Yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so it's not the first pull. The second pull. Okay, so it does have an auto choke, I forgot. It does pull pretty well. The front wheels do have a significant amount of camber because I think the wheel hubs of the axle, I think it's somewhere it's slightly bent, and I think that's why the wheels wear out quicker, because of the camber. But other than that, it does work good. I'm gonna see if I could get it to idle lower. I don't think I can do that. Oh, that's weird. Now it doesn't want to start. Oh well, it'll come back eventually. It's weird though anyway. Sorry about the technical difficulties beforehand, how I was having a little bit of trouble starting. I just cleaned it up real quick. We'll start it back again.